this video lecture, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9, differential equation, right? चैप्टर नंबर 8 अभी बाकी है, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन, वो हम स्कूल रीओपन होने का वेट कर रहे हैं. सो इससे पहले ये चैप्टर 9 जो है डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन वो सीख लेते हैं, राइट? इट्स अ वेरी इजी चैप्टर एंड एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन which you learn, right? Definite integration and indefinite integration is also applicable here. So now differential equation. What is differential equation? Suppose a function y is equal to fx is given, right? Then the variable x is called independent variable. This is called independent variable, and the value of y is always depend on x, right? So this variable y is called dependent variable, right? So this variable x is called independent variable because value of x you can choose anything, but the value of y is always depend on the value of x. So this is a dependent variable and this is a independent variable. Now in a lower standard you'll study like this question, x square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. In 11th standard trigonometry you will learn this type of equation, sin x plus cos x is equal to 0, right? So this type of question in which these all are independent variables, right? So what is the differential equation? The definition of a differential equations is an equation involving derivatives, derivative or derivatives, right? So like this, suppose x into d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0, right? So this is a equation who contains derivatives, this dy by dx and this is d square y by dx square. So I am writing here derivative or derivatives, right, of the dependent variable, of the dependent variable. So dependent variable is y, so derivative of the dependent variable, right, with respect to independent variable. With respect to independent variable is x. So this is the independent variable x, right, or variables, it may be more variables there, is called a differential equation. So this type of equations is called a differential equation. If you want to write this differential equation in notation, then you can write this also, a function which contain independent variable x, dependent variable y and its derivative, that is dy by dx, d square y by dx, right? Suppose d cube y by dx cube, or it may be up to nth derivative dx raised to n, right, of the form this equal to 0 is called a differential equation, right? Equation involving independent variable, dependent variable and derivatives of the dependent variable, that is dy by dx, d square y by dx square and up to nth derivative, right, is called a differential equation. Now ordinary differential equation. A differential equation involving derivatives of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. With respect to only one independent variable is called an ordinary differential equation, right? So this is an ordinary differential equation because only one independent variable is there, with the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. So independent variable one is x. So this type of question, this type of equation, sorry, is called a ordinary differential equation. And for studying of this differential equation, you need to knowledge of order and degree. So we have to learn about order and degree. Now, order of a differential equation. Order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable. Highest order derivative of the dependent variable, that is y, with respect to the independent variable occurring in a given differential equation is called the order of the differential equation, right? Suppose we are writing an equation d square y by dx square plus 2 times dy by dx plus 3 equal to 0 plus 3 equal to 0, right? So order of the highest order derivative, here highest order derivative is in this d square y by dx, so that is 2, right? Order of the highest order derivative, order of highest order of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is x. So highest order derivative is 2. So order of this differential equation is 2. Order of this differential equation is 2. And the power, when a differential equation is in polynomial form in derivatives. So this is a polynomial form in derivatives, because this is a polynomial in derivatives, right? So it is required for degree that equation, right, given equation is in form of a polynomial of a derivatives, right? Polynomial of a derivatives. The highest power of the highest order derivative of the highest power. So highest order is 2 and the power of this is 1. So degree is here 1. Degree is 1, right? Suppose I'm writing like this: d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole cube plus sin y is equal to 0. So this is a polynomial in derivatives, right? This is the polynomial in derivatives, right? Now highest order of derivative is 2. That is the order of this differential equation is 2. So order is 2. And what about degree? Degree is the highest order derivative is power. So this is highest order derivative and power of this is 1. So again degree is 1. No, you should not take this. Note this. Here power is 3, but this is not a highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is this. So power of the highest order derivative is degree. Power of the highest order derivative is degree. So that is 1. So here also degree is 1, right? And highest order is your order. Highest order of the derivative is your order. And power of that highest order derivative is your degree. That is 1 here. This is not a power. This is highest power, but this is the of dy by dx. This is not highest order derivative. Highest order derivative is this one, right? Suppose you have one equation. Suppose I am writing x into dy by dx plus, right? I am writing another equation x into dy by dx plus sin into dy by dx is equal to 0. Suppose this is the equation, right? So highest order derivative is here of 1, here is order is 1. So order of this equation is 1. But this is not a polynomial in derivative because this is angle. So this is not a polynomial in derivative. So degree is not defined because, right, when a differential equation is in a polynomial form of its derivative, so its derivative is, this is not a polynomial form of derivatives, this is angle, so this is not defined. So degree here not defined, degree here is not defined, right? So highest order of the derivative is the order of the differential equation and power of highest order derivative is called a degree. But for that we need a polynomial in its derivative, not like this, right? So you have to remember this thing, and this is an important question for MCQ. Find the order and degree. So we will practice more questions for this. Now questions for degree and order, that is order and degree, right? So first question is example number 1, page 382. It's first dy by dx minus cos x is equal to 0. सो हियर हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव यहाँ पे क्या है, इसका हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर 1 है, सो ऑर्डर क्या आएगा, ऑर्डर 1 और पावर ऑफ दिस डेरिवेटिव इज 1, राइट, सो डिग्री भी 1, right, so order 1 and degree 1, so we are writing in this order and degree. Now here see, check, highest order derivative is second order derivative, so order is 2 and power of this highest order derivative is 1, so degree is 1. For this question, you know, we learn in derivative, this is one of the notation for derivative, that is, this is third order derivative, that is d cube y by dx square, you know, right, dy by dx is represented by y dash or y1, we learn in derivative. Second order derivative, that is d square y by dx square, that is y double dash or y2, we know this. So this is given third order derivative, that is highest order of the derivative is 3, so order is 3 and the power of this is 1, so degree is 1, right. Now next question is question number 1 of exercise 9.1. question is d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4 plus sin y triple s, this is d cube y by dx cube equal to 0. So which is the highest order derivative? Highest order derivative is d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4, so order is 4 and the power of this is its degree and power of this is 1, but before that given equation must be in polynomial form of derivatives, so this is not a polynomial form of derivatives, so degree is not defined, degree is not defined, so I am not writing, you have to write degree not defined, so that's why I am writing dash, right. Here highest order derivative 1, so order is 1 and power of it is 4, so degree is 4. so I hope आप भी अब लिख सकते हैं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है मेरी, फटाफट लिख दो, बाद में मैं आंसर बताता हूं, राइट, स्टार्ट हो गया, ओके. नाउ highest order derivative, first order derivative 1 and power of this is 1, so answer will be 1 1, right. Here highest order derivative 2, so order is 2, but this is not a polynomial in derivatives, so degree is not defined, degree is not defined. Here highest order derivative is 2, so order is 2 and power of this derivative is 1, so degree is 1. Here highest order derivative is 3, so order is 3 and power of this is 2, so degree is 2. Here 3, degree 1, so 3 1, that is your answer. For this 1 1, for this 2 and 1, order 2, degree 1. For this order 2, degree 1. For this order 2, but this is not a polynomial in derivatives, therefore degree does not define. Here order 2, degree 1, here order 2, degree 1, here order 1, degree 3. Here see, this is 2 and this is 3, both has the same order derivative but the highest power of the highest order derivative, so both have same order derivative but highest power is 3, so you have to take degree is 3 here, not 2, right, remember this thing. Here order 4, degree does not define because this is not a polynomial in derivatives, right. तो आपको मैं ऐसा थोड़ा बहुत सारे एग्जांपल ये तो सॉल्व कर लिया, मगर प्रैक्टिस के लिए फ्यू एग्जांपल्स मैं आपको दे रहा हूँ. क्वेश्चंस फॉर ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री एंड फ्यू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चंस, राइट. Question is given d square y by dx square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power 3 by 2. You know, आपको एक बात पता है कि जब डिग्री और ऑर्डर डिसाइड करते हैं तो पावर जो है वो इंटीजर ही होना चाहिए, तो ये इंटीजर नहीं है तो हमें इसको इंटीजर करना पड़ेगा. This is 3 by 2 means we have to squaring both sides. If we squaring both sides, what we get? Squaring both sides. we get square of this, that is d square y by dx square whole square is equal to, if we squaring this, multiply 2, that means 2 will be cut, so power will be remaining 3. So this is 1 plus dy by dx whole square to the power 3. Now highest order derivative is 2, means order of this differential equation is 2. But we need to expand this. This is a plus b whole cube. That is formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. But here power of derivative is 1 only. Means we need highest order derivative. Order of that is your order, and the power of that highest order derivative is degree. Right? So this is useless to expand. Right? From here we can write highest order derivative is 2, this is only 1. So we have to dealing everything with this. So highest order is 2. So order is 2. And the power of highest order derivative is 2. So degree is 2. Right? Now this question. Here this is a square root, not integers. Right? So if we take these to left hand side, this become x minus y dy by dx is equal to square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square, 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Now if we want to remove this, we have to again squaring both sides. So if we squaring both sides, what we get? X minus y dy by dx whole square is equal to 1 plus dy by dx whole square. Right? Square root will be removed. Now if we expanding, what we get? Highest power of this is a square is x square, 2ab only one power, and derivative of this square is y square into dy by dx whole square. So highest power is 1, power of that is 2, so order is 1 and degree is 2 also. Right? So order here 1 and degree is 2. For this, if we take LCM, then this become dy by dx whole square plus x is equal to 5 times dy by dx. So highest order of the derivative is 1, order is 1 and degree is 2. Right? So आपको पता चल गया कैसे करना है. यहाँ पे जो ये है, ये क्यूब रूट है, सो इसका पावर 1/3 रहेगा और इसका पावर 1/2 है. तो दोनों का LCM of these two is 6. So you have to multiply both sides by 6. You will get integer as a power. Right? So ऐसे रेसिप्रोकल जो है, इसको आपको ऐसे LCM लेके दोनों साइड्स का पावर इंटीजर करना है और ऑर्डर और डिग्री डिसाइड करना है. Right?